Coordination of benefits. First of all, that term only relates to group health products. And what it is, if you have two or more policies covering you for the same thing, maybe you have two disability income policies, for example. They're not both going to pay off fully if you have a claim. One policy is always going to be determined to be the primary policy. The other policy is then considered secondary. The primary policy pays first based on the limits of the policy. And then if there's anything left over that wasn't paid, then the second policy would be brought into play to see if it's able to cover any of the benefit that was not covered by the first policy. They both cannot fully pay off because of the principle of indemnity, which means you cannot be made more than whole. If you were here when you had the claim, once the claims are paid, you can't be up here. You can't have made money by filing claims. You can only be brought back to the place where you were at the time you had the loss. So that's the principle of indemnity. If you have a loss, they're submitted to both companies, but the primary policy pays first. Secondary picks up anything that might not have been covered by the first policy.